Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're getting fit. We're trying. Apple's on-demand fitness streaming service, Fitness Plus, is a great way to stay active at home with high-quality videos. But there's one thing you will need, an Apple Watch. Don't have one yet? Let me stop you right here. Come back after you buy it. Already own an Apple Watch? All right, let's get started. To sign up for Fitness Plus, open the Fitness app on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. You'll see a Fitness Plus option. Tap on it, then tap Get Started to subscribe. If you haven't used Fitness Plus before, you get a free trial to check it out. At the top of the app, you'll see exercises like HIIT, yoga, strength training, and you can even do bike or treadmill classes, assuming you've got gym equipment at home. Scroll through the workouts, which you can filter by class length, instructor, or type of music, then select the one you want to take. You can view a preview of the class and also see the playlist before you begin the workout. Tap Let's Go to start the workout. A play button will automatically pop up on your watch. Tap it to begin, and your watch will automatically track all of your metrics, including heart rate and calories burned. You can also see the data from your watch on the screen you're streaming the class on. Apple is adding the ability to AirPlay a workout to a non-Apple device, but the Apple Watch requirement isn't going away. If you do own a watch, Fitness Plus is a service worth subscribing to.